So welcome back, this is Muzaffar Ismail from technib.com, and we will be doing the unboxing for the Huawei Honor 3C Lite smartphone. So this box, it's in the back there, 3C Lite. Okay. So there's the Huawei Honor 3C Lite. It's more or less the same as the 3C. Okay. See what else is there. Now there's the warranty card. There's the quick start guide. There is a 3-pin USB charger and the micro USB cable. So, anything else? Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna put that down. Alright. So that's the unboxing for the Huawei Honor 3C Lite smartphone. So stay tuned for the hands-on and the full review at technib.com. Thank you very much for watching.